Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1961 Triumph Tr3A, finished in British racing green, tan interior, 4-speed, 48 spoke, powder coated wire wheels, chrome luggage rack, fog lamps. Very nice older restoration that we just purchased, as you can see, from Arizona. We bought it from a fellow Brit that was a big car enthusiast and just loved his Tr3A. Just wasn't driving it enough, so decided to sell it. But this car had a very nice extensive restoration, probably about 10 years ago. Mechanically rebuilt, cosmetically completely rebuilt, restored. You can see here paint, a lot of chrome, new moss interior kit. It comes with a beige top boot and tonneau cover, chrome tubular luggage rack you can see there. Pretty good paint overall, pretty good body fit. I think all the instruments were restored. I'll show you the engine bay in a minute. Really nice, clean engine compartment. But, you know, wonderful car in the perfect colors. We'll do another small walk around here. So yeah, fog lamps fitted up on that badge bar. Full paint, full chrome. I think rebuilt front suspension, rebuilt engine. You can see all the body fittings here are new. All the fender beading. Overriders. I'm sure he had a big bill from Moss Motors for everything here. While we're back here, let's take a look at the trunk. So in the trunk, correctly finished with the Hardura mat and the gas tank board. Beige top with hood stick cover. Serial number on this car is almost 80,000, so it's like TS 79,000 and something. So a late production car, as you can see, with the raised hinges and the newer, stiffer body fittings. There's a CD player fitted that is really nice. As you go along the road there, you got the speakers. You can see the CD player tucked down in there. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So as you can see here, very nicely detailed engine compartment. Rebuilt engine, brakes are all new, new harness, rebuilt carburetors, high torque starter, finned alloy valve cover. You can see things like new generator. So super good mechanically, runs, drives, shifts, steers great. We're going to be posting a driving video of the car. But yeah, 79. VIN is 79743L. You can see it's got the correct body tag. And then also down here, engine number wise, it's around 79,000. So all correct components throughout. Let's take a look at this car's interior. Just shut the hood here. Yeah, interior-wise, new tan panel kit from Moss, new tan loop carpets. You can see the seats are upholstered. The dashboard came out. All the cappings have been restored. Steering wheel's in fantastic shape. Trafficator, instruments. And like I said, all the full weather equipment in the trunk there. But yeah, nicely finished Triumph TR3, showing, I think it's only showing 62 miles since the rebuild, so I think this gentleman had more fun restoring it than driving it. But really nice car. Gunmetal powder coated wire wheels. I think they look really good on this car, giving it a little bit darker look. But very good value for the money. This is our 1961 Triumph Tr3A Roadster, British racing green, tan interior, beige top boot, and tonneau cover, fog lamps, chrome luggage rack, full restoration, super good, you know, extensive restoration throughout, showing only minimal age and minimal mileage since the restoration. 1961 Triumph Tr3A, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.